Hello and welcome to Savor the Southwest. Today we're looking at peppergrass growing wild in the winter garden. It's a weed you can forage. Not necessarily a weed, but I actually once long ago harvested some of these seeds when they turned brown, and then I've planted them in every house I've lived in. You can eat the greens just like you would eat arugula, or you can save the fruits and use them as basically pepper. So if you really want to have a sustainable garden, grow your own pepper. Leaves like arugula, seeds like pepper. I'm going to do some stills inside of some dried peppergrass so you can see what it looks like and how to use it. Savor the Southwest. Back inside with Savor the Southwest after doing a little outdoor segment on peppergrass. And there's some other things here that I grow in my garden, and we're going to talk about those. Or forage wild. But this peppergrass is something you can use. You can dry the little fruits and use them any way you would use pepper. Black pepper. Now, I do have to caution you, you can't just dump it in your food because it's not as small as ground pepper. So if you want to, you can grind it in your mortar and pestle, and I do that sometimes. But a lot of times, if I'm making a stew or something, I just put that in first and let it kind of infuse into the stew that I'm cooking. Usually they tell you add your flavoring at the end of the cooking process. This is something you want to add kind of early on, in part that it's peppery, and you want to make sure you don't add too much. So that's peppergrass, and I'm going to put up the scientific name because I'm a stickler for that. It's Lepidium. It's basically in the mustard family. It grows as a weed. I cultivate it because it's a useful weed. So, peppergrass. Savor the Southwest. Thanks for watching.